Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you how you can create a poster in Adobe Illustrator. I have created a document of 8.5 by 11 inches. I have given the bleed of around 0.1 to 5 inches. So we give the bleed if we need to print anything that needs to be cut off after the printing process. I will just choose a rectangle. I have created a nice yellow rectangle. Top of that I will create a circle. I'm going to design everything and I will just recolor it of less yellow color. And now I will write something on it, scale it. I will rotate it around 3 degrees from here. And now I will create a nice 3D effect for this text. I will just press Ctrl plus C and then Ctrl plus F to paste in place. Now you can see there are two texts. Now I will choose both of those texts. I will make them blend. So for that I will choose the upper text and I will press shift, arrow up and arrow left, arrow up and arrow left 5 to 6 times. And now I will blend them both to make a 3D look. I will choose both of those texts. Then I will go to object, blend and make. So now I will press enter. After selecting the blend tool, I will just press enter. And now as you can see the specified steps are around 100. You by default it goes to the smooth color, but you have to select the specified steps and make the steps around 100 and press ok. Now this text already looks like 3D, but for the better viewing it you have to make one text on top of it. Let me show you how. You can just press Ctrl plus C again and Ctrl plus F. What it does, it makes another copy on top of it, so there are two texts of 3D looking. But now we will release one text. We will go to the object, blend and release, and we will delete one of the texts, because now there are two texts as you can see in the layers panel. So I will just delete one of those texts. First let me just color it something like that, and I will delete this one. Now I will just make it different color, like nice orange color, and I will press Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus D to make a copy behind the upper layer. As you can see in the layers panel, I will make it white color, yeah. And I will choose the top text again, the layers panel, and then I will press arrow key up and arrow keys left 4 to 5 times. Now as you can see the text is looks like 3D. Now I will write something. The font that I'm using is called Oswald. It's nice font, very good font, and it's free font. You can download it from fonts.google.com. I will place a link in the description. Now you can just rotate it around 3 degrees, same as this text. Place it here. Now I will create a ticket price. I will create a circle and I will go to this FX panel or FX menu, and then I will go to distort and transform and zigzag. From this menu, just turn on this preview if in your case it's off, and make the size around like this and increase the corners. Now you can expand it by going to object and appearance, and now you can write something on this one. I will write $20 set price. I will rotate it around 3 degrees again. Now I will find good nice looking vectors from a website called public domain vectors. I will place a link in the description. There is this website. It's called Public Domain Vectors, and chose I chosen this vector for the poster. I have already downloaded it. Now I will add more graphics for the same website. I have downloaded this city landscape in the night. I will only choose. I will only use this graphic, these buildings. I'll scale it. After that, I have created another rectangle at the bottom of my poster and recolor it like a light gray color. After that, I will add address, date, and time, and I will also add website at the bottom of my poster. Now I will add more graphics at the background here in the yellow color. I will go to the same website, public domain vectors. I will choose. Um, you can just search rays. Just press enter, and here you can find so many options for the rays you can use in your poster. So the good thing about public domain vectors.org is that you can openly use any vector, and you can freely use any vector in your projects, and you don't have to worry about the copyright issues. So I have downloaded this uh, graphic, and I have reduced the opacity of it. So I will just use that graphic in here, and I will press Control Shift open bracket to make it behind of our artwork. And now I will add a little bit of more graphic to our background. What I will do is I will create a circle, a very small circle, and I will press I will go to the object pattern, make. Here you can see a new pattern has been added to the swatches panel. Now you can just adjust the settings from the pattern options. I will choose brick by column or brick by row. I will choose brick by column, and I will select the options like 4 over 5, 3 over 5. I will increase the spacing and trim the copies maybe 50%. So look around and choose the settings that satisfies you, and I will hit done. You can just change the settings later on if you don't like the settings. If you are not satisfied with your settings, you can just change the settings later. And now I will create a rectangle. Now I will choose this swatches panel. I will press Control Shift and open bracket to make it go behind our artwork, and I will decrease the opacity around 15%. And I'm not fully satisfied with my results, so I will just double click on my swatches panel again, resize it. I will make it very small, very small. I will increase or decrease the spacing, and now I press done. Here I'm satisfied with this kind of result, but I will need to adjust the opacity. I will decrease the opacity furthermore around 11%. So this is how you can create a poster in Adobe Illustrator. I hope you like this video. If so, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.